Hey traders, Raghee here. I'm going to share with you a swing trade that we took this week in Google. So let's start from the beginning. What is it that we wanted to do with Google? What was the setup? So this is the way alerts go out in the Sector Secrets Mastery. It's a swing trade alert, buying Google, August 15, 190 call. Now notice we have a trigger here. And with this trigger, what I know is at what price specifically I'm going to buy that 190 call, and that was 190.84. Notice also with the alert, we put the first target. So let's see how this trade panned out. So the first thing is waiting for the price to be reached. And in this case, what I'm looking for is price to get down to about this area. And right here with this candle, not only do we get to that price, we actually got below that price. And that's okay, because once I've sent an alert out, as long as that price is reached, we can get price improvement by buying at a lower price, and that's exactly what we did. These 190 calls cost 440 and 400. I was able to scale in at two prices. So now I've got my long position in those Google contracts, these calls. All right, now remember, I put in the first target as well. So when we reach the first target, the idea is to be able to scale out. And the first target in Google was just above $800. I believe it was about $810. Some traders even got $900 out of the first target. So now, here's the important part. Once we buy the option, and at this point, it's a 100% return, the next step is to follow that great trading adage, never let a winner turn into a loser. And the way we do that in a practical way is we move to a break-even stop. So what is break-even? Well, if you remember, I mentioned I paid $400 to $440 for those Google calls. If price were to come down to $435 or $395, 5 cents below my entry price, then I'll close the trade. Because this way, all I'm risking is unrealized profit. I'm not risking my capital anymore, and the trade is still a winner because we scaled out at that target. Well, Google went right on going. So what we do is we prepare for up to 3 targets. And in this case, we scaled that again at $13.15. Now, Google had a wild day. And once again, once we have a profit level, like a safety net, we moved that stop up. And ultimately, this was closed out at 1065 on the pullback. 2 things to remember about any kind of swing trade. Know your risk at the onset of the entry and know your target. And in this case, we were able to manage better than a 300% return on Google. If you're looking for instructions like this and swing setups like this, come check out what we're doing in the Sector Secrets Mastery. You can join for 30 days and get setups like Google sent to your phone for $7 for the entire month. I look forward to seeing you there.